trying to get you to go down that sliding board at that park that's real close to our house down there in Charlotte.
Klug? Klug Park?
Klug Park?
Well, I am
Klug.
too big.
Klug Park, yeah, how'd you remember that?
Yeah, no.
Guys, this is what we do when we get too big. I am too big. I'm not too big.
I've been by there a few times. Whoa, Isla, that's unorthodox.
Oh, there you go.
No one's ever done that before.
Unorthodox, all right, I like it.
This thing is so personable. I learned so. You better not fall off.
I'm just glad that they like to
Which
come
way are we
down.
going?
Yeah.
Always plenty of treats.
Oh, that's for sure.
Fabulous.
Super, really, it's irresponsible.
Yeah, whatever.
Look at her holding on to the center plate. People being flown off.
This thing looks dangerous.
Very questionable.
You are, you just...
Highly questionable.
It's very questionable.
Wait. Backwards. There's a tornado siren.
Sometimes could participate equally.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, sure helping with saving one
Thomas,
Oh, it's so hard.
yeah, you weren't able to reach that always, you know. I remember when you couldn't reach it.
Yeah, it wasn't just last summer or the summer before we still had to pick her up.
We need people. Wait a minute.
I would put her on the low
For a
side.
second, I thought that
Just
they got rid of
move her.
that. This is not a bad one. Okay. Well, I barely just figured out that they actually did get rid of that one. Because when I saw it, I said, oh, never mind. Then they didn't. They chose this. Well, I guess, well, I know why this is here. Because probably the guys got new dirt from the fields, got made volleyball court, put a porta potty, and made it porta potty. We quit the city. Guys, we gotta go. Where are we going? Wait, guys, we're racing each other. Guys,
Racing each other.
What happens if
There's a good nose.
Wait, guys, don't go. What?
That'll be a photo finish.
What if
Oh man, they changed it.
I should be
Is it always changed it?
I don't know if it's always been chained.
And you don't want people to ruin
Yeah, so I don't see what the problem is, but
it? Backwards, everybody.
I guess if the lawnmowers come through, they don't have to move the picnic tables.
You're going backwards, me and Andrew are going forward. No, fine. Guys, you guys are going backwards. Okay, ready, go.
It's nice how quickly this dries up, you know? It rained pretty much 2 days straight.
It's hard to stay. Yeah, when you're laughing.
That's why a little kid down there playing.
Okay, ready? Now, you guys are going forward. Ready? You guys are going forward. Ready? I would just say which direction we're going, and then you do that. Like, you know this is it. Oh, God.
I'm not upwind of it. I'm very downwind of it. I was immediately downwind of it for you. It's off now. It was a fleeting pleasure.
Go! We're backwards.
It's probably trapped in your clothes.